Hi guys, good day. Today I just want to share some interesting article about artificial intelligence. The AI concept is actually not new. It's 50, 60 years old. In 1950s, the computer scientists, tried to make the computers work as effective as possible. They try to develop constantly. So this is how the AI concept came. The last 20 years, 10 to 15 years, if you see, the voice recognition module actually developed, to the level which is, phenomenal. A voice recognition software people started using for, typing documents. Before, we used to type. Now we type, but also this voice recognition software, helped, people to command and draft documents on various professions, and also helped to give command to the computer, the voice recognition technology. So these are really really potential development what we have today, but it's now actually going to another direction, from AI to generative AI concept. And if you see, even it's not only limited to computers nowadays, even it's now actually fabricated into mobile technologies. The Android and iOS OS also supporting AI developments, almost like a competitive advantage. Consumers now looking into AI features in their mobile phones, and comparing and buying. So companies also obviously, like they want to develop more and more AI to retain a lot of customers. So that's a brief idea about AI. And in this particular video I would like to share about one of the AI technology. I feel it's a positive side. You can tell me after we review this article what do you feel about this. And also there is negative side of AI, positive side, but this is, I feel, like a positive side. So this technology is called mouth based touchpad. This device basically developed for people, paralyzed people, for them, to interact with computers, and also to mobiles and tablets, because these days AI can be fabricated into even other devices other than computer. And so this is the device. It looks like this. It's like, the device can be actually, the paralyzed person can fit this device into their mouth. It has a lot of touch pads and chip connected to it. So this touch pad also recognize the the various commands, the paralyzed person should follow, which this each sensitive touchpad recognize different commands, for example, and also connected to head gesture, etc. And this technology actually developed by Thomas Vega. And just give a brief introduction about him. He is actually a researcher. He born in Peru. He studied computer and cognitive science at the University of California. Then actually, also, in MIT, obviously he continued this research. So you can read more about him, but I can just give some short introduction. He is very interested into learning, cognitive and learning. His main goal is to extend the human capabilities in general with AI technology. And also his main inspiration is to support this cognitive and learning technology for physically challenged people. This is our paralyzed people. So this is his main inspiration. The main reason for this is he himself at the age of 5 he used to shutter. He could not, everything mentioned in the article, so he could not actually properly, he cannot fluently convey what he want to convey. So the communication was a big barrier for him. So this is the main reason, he developed this technology. He says during his childhood, the keyboard and the mouse were outlets for him, which enable him to communicate effectively through typing and also with mouse and computers. So he say, I was able to transcend my limitation in a way. So I became obsessed. This caused him to be obsessed with human augmentation and with the concept of cyborgs. Cyborgs actually, what I have learned is it's like a combination of humans and also artificial intelligence, some kind of like you know like AI technology, and also some kind of devices, additional devices connected to human bodies, to enable them to be more efficient, prosthetics, etc., etc. Just to give an example, the RoboCop movie, if you see, this injured, physically challenged cop, actually, the scientist helped him to overcome this limitation with cyborgs, so he can able to function as almost like again as full capabilities with this technology with sensors and cyborg, etc. So this is the idea. And so this is what basically he's trying to develop various products. And even during his college, actually, he helped a lot of people with various disabilities. Vegan has begun using technology to augment human capabilities ever since he began to program when he was 12, and he helped people manage disability, including hand impairments and multiple sclerosis. So it's really fascinating to me because it's a good deed, and also he used technology to empower people. It's fabulous idea. I really appreciate him for that. And so that's main reason he started the company Augmental, and trying to deploying such technology to help people. And about this product, actually, he actually developed this product which allow user to control not only computers, as I mentioned earlier, smartphone, tablet, through tongue and hand movements. The main point he says is, for paralyzed people it's tiring to use their mouth all the time. So he also want to make this seamless and not really burden for them. So he also developed the technology to overcome such limitations. And with this device, the pad sits on the roof of the mouth, working with pair of motion sensor, translate tongue and head gesture into cursor scrolling clicks in real time via Bluetooth. So this works through Bluetooth, so that when they you start using their command with tongue and head gesture, etc., etc., so the commands will be translated to the device basically. And yeah, he says that the brain actually connected to different muscle in the tongue. So all this like the muscles in the tongues are actually integrated with sensitive sensors, and also to make them not tiring, the muscle fibers or slow twitch, which enable so that they don't fatigue as quickly, so it's comfortable for them to operate any device with this technology. And basically, that's it. There are some more details, but the crux of the article is that's it. So I found this really inspiring to me, and actually it's really useful for our society. But I want you also, to express your views about this technology, and also your, what are the positive side and negative sides. And also, if you have any interesting AI technology article, please share to me so that I can review to the wider audience. Thank you guys, see you with another article.